How to find website dark theme settings on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find website dark theme settings on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser, and here in the bottom corner here you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and scroll down until you find labs here and click on it. And as you see the first one here you will find it, use website dark theme. And now all you need to do is just you can turn it on or off by one click and manage anything you want and go back. It will be saved, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.